Hi crocheters, and welcome back to my channel. Glad to share a new pattern with you that I love, and I'm sure you will too. If you are new to crochet, the granny square medallion, or motif, also called an Afghan square, is an excellent practice project and a great way to perfect your double crochet. If you are a seasoned crocheter, there are many variations on the basic granny square that you can try. To make a basic crochet granny square, you'll need the following materials. Yarn. Any medium weight worsted yarn works well for beginners. You can use one color or multiple colors to create contrast between rounds. Crochet hook. Choose a hook size that matches your yarn label's recommendation. Commonly 4 mean 5 mean for worsted weight yarn. Scissors. For cutting your yarn when you change colors or finish off your square. Yarn needle, tapestry needle. Used to weave in the loose ends neatly once your square is finished. Optional. Stitch markers. Helpful for marking the beginning of rounds or corners, especially for beginners. Practice square tip. Use a different color for each round until you are confident making granny squares. Step 1. Work 6 chains and join with a slip stitch to form a ring. For round 1, work 3 chains, then 2 doubles in the ring, then 3 more chains, then 3 doubles in the ring and 3 chains. Step 2. Repeat from now 2 more times. Join the round with a slip stitch to the top of the first chain. Break off yarn at the end of this and every round for a striped medallion, adding different colors randomly for each round. Step 3. For round 2, join new yarn in any 3 chain space. Chain 3, work 2 doubles, chain 3 and work 3 doubles in the same space. Chain 1, work 3 doubles, chain 3 and work 3 doubles all in the next 3 chain space. Repeat from now 2 more times. Then chain 1, join round with a slip stitch to the top of the first chain. Step 4. For round 3, join the yarn in any 3 chain space. Chain 3, work 2 doubles, chain 3 and work 3 doubles in the same space. Chain 1, work 3 doubles in the next 1 chain space. Chain 1, work 3 doubles, chain 3 and work 3 doubles all in the next 3 chain space for the corner. Chain 1, work 3 doubles in the next 1 chain space. Repeat from out a round, then chain 1, join round with a slip stitch to the top of the first chain. Turn the square as you work. Step 5. Joining medallions. Flat slip stitch seam. Working seams with crochet stitches is the quickest way to join medallions. For a slip stitch seam, lay the 2 medallions side by side. Work each slip stitch through only one loop, the back loop, of the top of a stitch on each medallion. Use a hook one size smaller than the hook used for the medallions, but work the stitches very loosely. Single crochet seam. A single crochet seam is also quick to work, but it forms a ridge, so it's best worked on the wrong side. Place the 2 medallions with the right sides together. Then work each single crochet through only one loop of the top of a stitch on each medallion, the loop closest to you on the top medallion, and the loop farthest from you on the bottom medallion. The join as you go method. When making medallions, you can create a neat and practically invisible seam by joining each medallion to the others as you work. To demonstrate the technique, a traditional granny square method is described, but you can apply the same technique to other types of medallion. First, crochet 1 complete medallion, then work the second medallion up to the penultimate round, but don't fasten off. Work along the edge of the second medallion, right up until you are about to make the corner chain. Work 1 chain and attach, with a slip stitch into one of the corner chains on the first medallion, and finish off the corner space with 1 chain and a group of 3 doubles into the corner space. Instead of working 1 chain before the next group of doubles, join with a slip stitch into the next 1 chain space on the first medallion. Work the next group of doubles along the edge of your second medallion before joining it to the first medallion with a slip stitch as before. Continue in this way until you get to the next corner. Then join the corner chain of the second medallion to the corner chain of the first in the same way as before. Now continue around the edges to complete the second medallion. Once you have completed the second medallion, fasten off. Repeat for all following medallions, noting that some will need to be joined along 2 edges. Uses of a basic crochet granny square. Here are 3 practical and creative uses for a basic crochet granny square. Home decor items. Combine multiple granny squares to create beautiful items like blankets, pillow covers, cushion tops, table runners, or wall hangings. Their colorful patterns add a cozy handmade touch to any space. Fashion accessories. Use individual or joined granny squares to make wearable items such as scarves, cardigans, tote bags, vests, hats, or even patchwork skirts. Small handmade gifts. Single granny squares can be turned into coasters, bookmarks, pot holders, or decorative patches, perfect for quick, thoughtful handmade gifts. Bonus tip: pay attention to tension. Maintain consistent tension throughout your work to ensure an even appearance. Practice a few rows before committing to the full project to get comfortable with the pattern and gauge. And that brings us to the end of today's video. Hope you'll be trying out the pattern for yourself. Till next time, happy crocheting!